In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Miro team. Before we start, here's the big picture. In Miro, a team is a dedicated space where your boards, templates, and members live together. Creating a separate team helps you keep projects organized, manage who can access what, and keep work streams clean and focused. With that in mind, let's walk through the process from the very beginning. First, log into your Miro account and head to your dashboard. This is your home base. It shows your recent boards, and on the left, you'll see the navigation sidebar with your organization and any existing teams. Make sure you're in the right organization if your account belongs to more than one. On the left sidebar, find your organization name. When you hover over it, you should see a small plus icon appear next to it. Click that plus icon to start creating a new team. If you don't see the icon, it usually means your permissions or plan don't allow creating additional teams, so you may need to check with an admin or review your plan details. A pop-up will open asking for your new team's name. Pick something clear and specific so people immediately know what belongs there. Think Design Studio, Marketing 2026, or the name of a client or product line. Don't overthink it. You can always rename the team later if your needs change. Consistent naming saves time and avoids confusion as your workspace grows. Next, invite teammates by entering their email addresses. Type each address carefully to avoid bounce backs and consider whether you want to invite everyone right away or start with a smaller core group. If your organization uses a specific domain, stick to that so you maintain security and manage access more easily. Depending on your plan, you may also see options to set roles or permissions during this step. Choose the level of access that matches how each person will contribute. When everything looks good, click the button to finalize. This might read Create Team or something very similar. Miro will set up the space and take you into the new team. You should now see the team in your left sidebar where you can start creating boards, organize folders, and adjust team settings like member management and sharing defaults. One important note, creating additional teams typically requires an upgraded plan beyond the basic free version. The steps I showed you remain the same across paid tiers, but availability depends on your subscription and permissions. And that's it. You've created a Miro team, invited the right people, and you're ready to organize your work more effectively.